Hey everybody, this video we got a Brinks shrouded padlock here. A gentleman on YouTube saw my video 385 where I had one of these, and I actually had two of these without keys, and I drilled one of them apart to make a key for it. And he saw that video and wanted to know if I ever got it back together, and I did not. I drilled too deep or something and couldn't put that one back together. But he had tried to impression a key for this and was having some trouble with it. So I told him to send it my way, and I'll see if I can Lishi it. I was thinking it was going to be a master lock keyway. That's what mine is, but it's actually the American lock keyway. So he actually was nice enough to send it picked as well, and then I stupidly locked it back. So I'm going to do a Lishi video, picking it, and then measure the pins in it, and I'll run out to the blitz machine and cut a key. Okay, so it looks like we set 1, 2, and 3. 4 springy, 5 springy. Okay, 6 is binding. Okay, and get a little bit of rotation. 2. Okay, 4. Click on 4. Okay, 5 is now binding. Click on 5. Okay, 4 still feels a little bit springy, so let me try that one again here. Counter rotation, and we are open. Alright, so now that we're picked here, we can go ahead and read it. Write these down here. So I got 4. 5, 6, 1, 3, 5. Alright, so 4, 5, 6, 1, 3, 5 is the bidding, and I can already see why you had trouble impressioning it. Anytime you have a number 1 cut when you're impressioning, it's a pain in the butt. You think it marks, and you hit it 2 times, and you're already done here. You're not going to get it impression, but then you keep on going because, of course, you don't know that, and then it makes it real difficult. Anyway, let me run and cut the key here, and we'll be right back. Alright, so run out to the truck, cut the key here. He was nice enough to even send some blanks. These were his attempts here at impressioning, and yeah, like I said, it's tough. If you got a 1 pin, it really does make it tough. But there's our cut key to 4, 5, 6, 1, 3, 5, and we'll just go ahead and test it out, and it works nicely. So all there is left to do now would be put this back in the mail and send it back to him. So thanks for watching. Questions, comments, leave them in the comments. Maybe even subscribe. And until next time, I'll talk to everybody later.